Here's Amica Temporis with Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Soundwave, Part 2, How to Transform Him Back into a Vehicle. I thought it was important to show you that because there's so much motion in his knees and so many pegs to fit in that it can be kind of tough to figure it out just going in reverse. And the directions that he comes with only say how to get him from vehicle to robot. They don't tell you how to go back. Basically it's reverse, but it's a little tougher than that. So start with Laserbeak. Just have to take his peg out of Soundwave's arm, and we can leave him as a guitar and he'll fit on the roof, or turn him back into a bird. That'll fit on the roof too. Set him aside. It doesn't matter too much what order you go in here. I'm going to push his head up first, his hands in, turn the wheels out, and then can't actually take those up until you pull the chest plate back down. So it takes a little bit of wiggling to get it right into place. And then this will fold down, but I'm going to wait on that. These click up and fit together. Now to get the doors on, they have to kind of go up and back. And it can be a little tricky to get everything in exactly the right place. Actually better not to do the doors yet, because you've got to turn his waist back around. Put those back in, and then we can slip the doors up. Okay. Then you have to turn these panels. You can't get them all the way turned until you tip his knee out. Helps to point the toe first as well. And then that can go the rest of the way around. And there's his little buttons on his grill. And then getting these lined up right is a little, they move around so much. So here's his roof. So we need to bring this side around, this one around this way. Now there are pegs up here, and pegs here on the front of the doors, and little pegs at the bottom of the windows. And down here on his undercarriage, bring this panel down, or up, depending how you look at it. And then there are little pegs in the front part that go on that, and then also there are pegs to hold the parts of the hood together. Okay, so that's in place. And if we go back out to the outside, you're going to get those door pegs underneath the front. And these pegs go into the back part of the roof. Going to get that one in. And there we go. Now, here is Soundwave the van, or SUV, whatever you want to think of him as. Rolls pretty well. And then on the bottom of Laserbeak's feet, if you can see that, there are these pegs that stick down. Those fit into this little hollow on the roof. You can put Laserbeak on in bird mode, very large bird compared to the vehicle, or you can transform him back into a guitar. set him on that way. Also a very large guitar compared to the vehicle, but it's the right size for Soundwave to play when he's in robot mode, so I guess that works out. So there we have it, deluxe class animated Soundwave.